Well, this is a mobile phone charger which I've been using in my car. Come with the two USB output. One is a 1 ampere, another one is 2.1. Not even a fast charger. And on top of it, it's huge. And to plug it in for charging, I have to open up this console, install this thing in, and there you go. I can't even close this console when I'm not using it actually. So the next solution, I found this AUKEY Car Fast Charger with two charging ports. Sit very much flush with the cigarette lighter charger. And now I can close the lid as well when I'm not using them at all. Perfect. What's up guys, the Rage here, welcoming you back into another video. And in today's video we are looking into an AUKEY Car Charger capable to deliver 30 watt and 24 watt per power output shared between two ports. Charge your smartphones like iPhone 12, Mini Pros, Max tablets or even some laptops using the USB-C port which support power delivery port. Packed up with the massive power into a tiny cylinder, not much bigger than your thumb at all. And in terms of safety, all the cylinder is used around is an aluminum alloy body. Plug it into standard DC cigarette lighter charger of your car. Sits completely flush against the console and included with the foldable handle if you like to pull it out. Within the packaging you are getting AUKEY CCA3 30 watt dual port car charger, user manual and a 24-month AUKEY care support. Now information that what devices are compatible with this charger are available within the video description. Well, now it's time to go ahead with the performance and we're going to check out that how much power can be actually delivered from each of these USB output ports. I'm using this USB tester which will tell me the power exactly. I have connected my Huawei P30 Pro which supports the fast charging and is charging on a fast charge as well. I can see that. And altogether USB is outputting 5 volt at 3.23 ampere. That is classed as a fast charge as well. So this is just to confirm that yes, it can be done. Now we can also do the same test for USB-C port as well by using the same USB tester. And there we go, fast charging on mobile phone straight away. Now this is a very simple and straightforward kind of piece of kit which you can have in your car. Honestly speaking, serves its purpose, give you two USB output ports and will charge any latest or old mobile phone, fast, slow, everything, to be honest with you. I do not want to emphasize more that how useful this device would be for you in future as well. Now having a fast charge nowadays in your home or in your car is very much essential for sure. Now as you might have noticed that most of the manufacturer of mobile phone stop adding chargers in their packings. So having these things will be very much essential for sure in future. Now that will be all guys. If you still have any more reservation about this cigarette lighter charger, let me know in the comment section down below. Or if you're thinking of purchasing it, link for that is available in the video description too. Now that will be all guys. Thank you for watching this video. Shall see you soon into another one. Bye for now.